This image illustrates just how risky it is to work on a roof without the proper equipment. To prevent such accidents, safety platforms or walkways that distribute weight over a wide area should be used. In forklift operations, maintaining proper load balance and adhering to capacity limits is of critical importance. Even minor mistakes can lead to serious accidents. In this video, a man is trying to break a concrete block with a sledgehammer. However, because he strikes the sledgehammer at the wrong angle, it ricochets uncontrollably and hits him directly in the foot. In this video, we see a worker clearing snow from a crosswalk by the roadside being struck by a heavy wheel that flew off a passing bus. Bystanders who noticed the incident immediately rushed to help. To prevent such accidents, vehicle owners and public transportation operators must never neglect routine mechanical inspections. The use of inappropriate equipment and improper loading pose serious risks during work at heights. In this image, we see workers trying to balance a heavy air conditioning unit on two different ladders. However, the ladder's stability and load-bearing capacity are insufficient for this load. As the load's center of gravity shifts, one of the ladders loses its balance, and the entire structure collapses within seconds. In industrial kitchens, safety regulations must be strictly followed when working with pressurized equipment. In this video, we see an employee applying pressure to the lid of a pressure cooker using their own body weight. However, the lid suddenly pops open. Maintaining a safe distance is critical when working with industrial machinery. In this video, a serious entrapment accident occurs when a worker gets too close to a rotating part.
Güvenlik tesadüf değil, bilinçli bir seçimdir. Daha fazla iş güvenliği analizi için abone olmayı unutmayın. Güvende kalın.